Dear student, today we start that is periods in modern periodic table. In last period we studied the structure of modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers in periods and group. Here first we study the periods in modern periodic table. Then we study the groups in modern periodic table. Then properties of elements in modern periodic table. Here, periods in modern periodic table, horizontal rods, horizontal rods present in modern periodic table, in modern periodic table called periods. That is definition of periods. Horizontal rows present in modern periodic table, they are called periods. And look here, 7 periods are present in modern periodic table. 7 periods are present in modern periodic table. 7 periods are there, and look, that each period contains how many elements? According to number of elements, these periods having the particular names. Here first period, second period, third period, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Here we study the how many number of elements which are present in that each period, and according to number of elements, that periods having the particular name. Here we study the one chart, that is number of period, then number of elements, and name of the period. Look here, that is first period. It consists of only 2 elements, that hydrogen and helium. Then after this topic, here we study the structure of periods there. First period having number of elements 2, hence it is called shortest period. It is called shortest period in modern periodic table. Then second period, it consists of 8 elements. Then that period is called a short period in modern periodic table. That is called short period in modern periodic table. Then third period, it consists of also 8 elements. It is also called a short period in modern periodic table. Its period number second and third consist of 8 elements each, and hence these 2 periods are called a short period in modern periodic table. Then fourth period, it consists of 18 elements, and it is called long period in modern periodic table. Then fifth period, it also consists of 18 elements, and that is also called a long period in modern periodic table. Means fourth period and fifth period consist of 18 elements each, because from the fourth period, that is transition metals are start there, and transition metals are present in from the fourth period. Hence, fourth period and fifth period consist of 18 elements each, and they are called a long period in modern periodic table. But period number 6 is the longest period of the modern periodic table. It consists of 32 elements, because at the bottom of modern periodic table, that is 2 series are there, lanthanide series and actinide series. And here lanthanide series is a part of 6th period, hence it consists of totally the number of elements are 32, hence it is called a longest period in modern periodic table. 6th period, that is 32 elements, and it is longest period in modern periodic table. Then period number 7, here actinide series is a part of period number 7, but this period is called an incomplete period in modern periodic table. 7th period is incomplete period. Incomplete period in modern periodic table because that laterally discovered element, the elements which can be discovered after this time, they should be included into the 7th period. Hence that 7th period is said to be the incomplete period in modern periodic table. Now here we study, that is the first 20 elements in modern periodic table, and we study up to the 4th period only. That is first 20 elements in modern periodic table. It is necessary to know here, that is atomic number of these all elements, then electronic configuration and valency of these elements. Here look, first 20 elements in modern periodic table. Here period number first, period number 1, that is hydrogen, and lastly the helium. Hydrogen have atomic number 1 and helium have atomic number 2. Then period number 2 is start from lithium, atomic number 3, beryllium, atomic number 4, then boron, atomic number 5, then carbon, atomic number 6, then nitrogen, atomic number 7, then oxygen, atomic number 8, then fluorine, atomic number 9, and then neon, atomic number 10. That is 8 elements from the period number 2. Then period number 3, here after neon, below the lithium, that is sodium, atomic number 11, then magnesium, atomic number 12, then aluminium, atomic number 13, then silicon, atomic number 14, then phosphorus, atomic number 15, then sulfur, atomic number 16, then chlorine, atomic number 17, and argon, that is atomic number 18. Means in this way, here then in period number 4, that is 2 elements are there, that is potassium, atomic number 19, and calcium, atomic number 20. Here all these are the normal elements, and these 20 elements are there. It is necessary to understand first 20 elements in modern periodic table up to the 10th class only. In our 10th class syllabus, that all the questions are related to this first 20 element. Hot questions are there, their atomic number, atomic electronic configuration and valence also, and their chemical combination. That's